how is the virtual gym different than any other technology out there? And how is the iElios different than any other technology out there? We spent about 48 of sleepless nights of research to create a language that we can communicate with the body. Why is that important? Because the most important thing, the foundation of health, is synchronization. When the body is desynchronized, not only you have physical health, that is a problem, but mental health is also a problem. And where does physical and mental stop? Where does physical illness stop and mental illness begin? There's no such thing. The body and the mind are not two different things. They're working together in synergy. So if your metabolism, if you have a hypometabolism or if you have a hyperactive thyroid, then there's going to be anxiety and depression. What is Parkinson's? Parkinson's is a disturbance in dopamine. What is depression? It is a disturbance in serotonin. What is insomnia? When you have too much cortisol, you cannot sleep or you wake up in the morning. That's why people that are older wake up in the morning very early. Why? Because their cortisol is high. So how do we synchronize the body? We synchronize the body by balancing hormones, by balancing all proteins. And what is dopamine? Is another protein. What are neurotransmitters like serotonin? It's another protein. So when we are balancing proteins, then we're balancing not just the entire body, but also the mind. And that is the importance of a technology that has a language that is a signaling resonance energy transfer technology. Is transferred through resonance, but it's a signal. It's not just pure energy that doesn't have anything in it. It's a language. It's a signal. It's a music of the body. And this is how the body can be synchronized. When the body is synchronized, health is reestablished. And of course, that will give you optimal longevity.